Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading from November 13 to November 19, 2023. Okay? So, gagamitin natin itong bago nating tarot cards, the Tarot of Oppositions, and alamin natin kung ano yung magiging advice, mensahe. And our reading right now is merong reverse upright situation. Okay? So, kung ano po yung lalabas, naka-reverse man or naka-upright, babasahin natin Pisces. And alamin natin kung ano mga posible na mangyari for Pisces for this week. Okay? So, reminder lang po na this is a general reading Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And ang mga signs na lalabas dito, like, and also the energies, feminine, masculine, okay, babae, lalaki, LGBT man, as long as mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon, sa mga taong dinidil nyo, and sa mga taong nanonood ngayon, take nyo lang po, okay? So, ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay. Ano po ang message po for Pisces for this week? November 13 to November 19, 2023. Ano po ang message po for Pisces from November 13 to November 19, 2023. Okay? So, walang mag-flip. Ooh, 10 of Cups. Upright. Okay. The World. Wow. The Strength. Upright also. And the Moon. Ito na Pisces. Pisces card. The Moon in upright position. Okay. Bottom of the deck is 3 of Cups. Oh, okay. Medyo magaganda yung apat na nandito and medyo down yung dito sa ating bottom of the deck. So, pwedeng ito yung nararamdaman mo as of this moment, Pisces, which is our bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups. Feeling mo hindi na fulfill yung pangangailangan mo. Feeling mo hindi na fulfill yung naka-down, naka-reverse kasi siya. Okay? So, ganito yung nararamdaman pag masaya, pero naka-reverse position siya. So, again, parang hindi na fulfill yung nararamdaman mo. And also, sa nararamdaman ko, pwedeng nagda-doubt ka po kung sa sitwasyon man to Pisces, pwedeng ito I love, okay? Or something na dinidin mo, pwedeng friendship, family, na parang mas naniniwala sila sa ibang tao kaysa sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun, okay? Pero kung hindi naman ganun, there's a feeling inside of you na hindi na aabot yung expectation mo, na parang nakukulangan ka, hindi na fulfill yung mga pangangailangan mo, okay? And ito yung nakakapag-pa-down sa'yo, Pisces. Ito yung parang nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo, okay? Nakikita nyo, nakatulala siya, nakatingin siya sa mga kahoy, halaman, nakapalibot sa kanya na parang medyo hindi ganun kagandahan yung sitwasyon niya. Okay, so this is your emotion right now, Pisces. And meron siyang hawak na cup, so it's all about emotions. Okay, pero, eto na, dito na yung mga magagandang pangyayari na babasahin natin, okay? So, there's a 10 of Cups, the World, the Strength, and the Moon. All of it are upright, okay? So, 10 of Cups. This card represents as family commitment, long-term commitment, happiness, okay? Lalo na kung about sa family or something na malakihan, major situation in your life, Pisces, okay? And sobrang ganda, there's ladybug right here. Teka lang, hindi siya mag-zoom. Ayan. Okay? So, punong-puno, maraming cups ang nakalaan para sa'yo, Pisces. And, ito yung nakalaan for you. Wag mong hayaan na parang malungkot ka. Kasi feeling mo parang walang cups. Parang kulang. Parang something na parang walang para sa'yo. Okay? Yung mindset mo, Pisces, yung parang iniisip mo yung mga bagay na, baka walang ganito, baka ganito kasi, ganito, ganyan. Parang nagse-self-sabotage ka. It's all about on your mind, Pisces. Nag-o-overthink ka minsan. Feeling mo walang nakalaan sa'yo. Feeling mo walang para sa'yo. Walang cups, walang emotions, walang love yung para sa'yo. Pero meron. Okay? Meron. 10 of cups pa. 10 of cups. Long-term commitment, family commitment, love commitment, friendship commitment, lahat. Lahat is meron ganito. Okay? Major commitment for you, Pisces. And the world, all you have to do is to trust the process, trust the situation, trust the person you love, trust the person you belong. Okay? Kasi you are guided by God. You are guided by God. All you have to do is to look at the brighter side. Look at the brighter side, Pisces. Kasi yung nakapalibot sa magandang babae dito is punong-puno ng grass, lahat ng mga flowers, okay? Pwedeng there's a significant meaning of flowers, lalo na kung merong yellow, kasi meron tayo ditong yellow flowers. I don't know what kind of flower is this. So, nakikita nyo, meron ding mga flowers dito. Okay, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ang nakapalibot, nakalaan for you, Pisces. Kaya wag mag-overthink. Okay, try to understand the situation, try to understand the person. And parang there's a keyword na trust. Trust lang, okay? Tiwala lang. And kung sa nararamdaman mo, kailangan mong gawin din yung mga bagay na nararapat, okay? The strength upright right here is control your emotion, okay? Nararapat. Gawin mo yung mga nararapat, yung feel, alam mo naman kung ano yung dapat gawin. Although, parang nakokontrol ka lang minsan ng emotions mo, which is this one, okay? Pero alam mo kung ano yung sitwasyon. Okay? Napapangunahan ka lang ng lungkot, ng disappointment, okay? Lalo na ng pag-o-overthink, okay? So, ang keyword natin ngayon, Pisces, is to trust. Trust the person, trust the process, trust the situation, and gawin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo, okay? Magpaka-busy ka, Pisces. Kontrolin mo yung sarili mo, gawin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo, okay? At the same time, kontrolin yung emotion, okay? Erase what it is, parang ganon, okay? And, kung, di ba sinasabi ko po sa inyo, pag para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Okay? So, you don't have to feel down. You don't have to feel blue. Okay? Trust the situation. Trust your person. And control your emotion, Pisces. Control this lion right here. Okay? So, ikaw lang yung makakakontrol nun. And everything will follow. Okay? So, attract what is something na gusto mo. Okay? And the moon in upright. This parang aso. Okay? Nakatingin siya sa magandang moon. I don't know kung klaro ba siya sa camera, pero there's a beautiful woman right here sa loob ng moon. Okay? So, this is you, Pisces, or this is the universe. This is the divine spirit na all you have to do is to trust. Everything will be okay. Everything will turn out into a beautiful situation. Wonderful situation. Okay? So, tingnan mo lang yung brighter side. Tingnan mo lang yung mga magagandang bagay. Okay? And, make yourself busy, okay? Yung parang makakapag ano din sa attention mo. Hindi yung nag-o-overthink ka, hindi yung parang feeling mo walang nakalaan sa'yo, feeling mo kulang, feeling mo parang nagsiself-pity ka din, Pisces, okay? So, or pwedeng there's nagdududa ka, pwede din, okay? Pero, ito lang yung parang downside dito. Pero, the rest, sobrang ganda. There's a reassurement, there's a clarification sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Kahit ano man yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, Pisces, ma-love, ma-commitment, pwede ding workplace, trabaho, friendship, okay, or family member mo. Okay, you have to trust. Trust lang. Keyword natin ngayon is to trust. And everything will follow. Everything, Pisces, will turn into a wonderful situation, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong the world, okay? And 10 of cups pa, sobrang ganda. And this is you, Pisces. Look at the brighter side. Look at the wonderful side, Pisces. Okay, be positive, choose to be happy. Okay? And control your emotions, Pisces. Okay? So, yun po ang reading, advice, gabay ng tarot cards for Pisces from November 13 to November 19. And naway nagustuhan niyo po, okay? Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan, Pisces, na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub and ang ating isang channel po na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Click niyo lang po yung link dyan sa baba. And click the notification bell, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!